very good morning to you all. Pleasant
Alright.
morning to you all.
Yeah.
Listeners on VTFM and outs palagi so na baka rumbong ni komika.
Don't minaka, thank God it's Friday.
Yeah.
Don't minaka, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you tuning in.
Someone calling them is.
Hey, Demis, who's calling you?
I don't know. Someone is calling right now.
Who's?
Number tell.
This is from Sailasam Maniaba.
Oh.
Yeah.
That fella must be, that fella wants something.
Ah.
That fella wants something.
Thank you. Something is sometime. Yeah, I would like to take this time to good morning to everyone.
Right.
Leo Kavika.
Leo Kavika, okay.
Ngome ngana numikia, not forgetting the village from the Timi of the Matangali ebagay tabi na drug detection agency 7.
Alright.
Serebi Pak lutu Wainimbuka.
Yeah.
For the
Serebi Pak?
team. Yeah.
Saan
Matangali o Navuni Lolondamu ke Wainromu.
Right.
Tabale Lewa Kavika.
Right.
And the captain now joining France.
Oi.
Not France, club from France.
Club France.
Is Tusaya Winnie Raisunge.
Alright.
And co-captain.
Yeah.
Leo Kavika and Lewado.
Oi, Levo.
Lewado too is the...
How do you know?
They forming one vegetable garden.
Wara.
Leo Kavika.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Leo Kapit.
Leo Kapit ko rin nandamo. Joseba Tehana. Kalambu Primary School.
Right.
Prefect induction Tigo Nikua.
Right.
Meren Masutawa.
Yeah.
Jones Walengandi Tiana.
Yeah.
Tina Keinoa.
Benak.
Yeah.
We say good morning to the listeners out there.
Right.
All over the world. Fijian diaspora, New
Right.
Zealand, Australia.
Good morning.
Kami nang ulit tuwa daka.
Yeah.
Na biasa burbura na neka na buli. Kami na dorbule na tu na British Army na
Yeah.
kango.
Yeah, true, sir.
Kami na nonda. Di bingkarabi tu kan ng punolibo Afrika.
Yeah.
Dina Sara.
Na buni karabi tabi.
Different time.
Taban di obisa.
Right.
Yeah.
Ligi di bingkarabi taban na ni nonda matibalu.
Alright.
Yeah.
Sebelum cuma na tamba bidea.
Tabaroso mo ganduo.
Tamba subur kedua.
Right.
And matakango.
Iyo, vamos a tener do pio tigo do junior.
Alright.
Sama tu mengor yang borda ke Syria.
Iya.
Poni ni bina katian na bukini beito kani and mataka bina kaniko. And to those tuning in on our TikTok account,
Iya.
thank you so much for tuning in. Double tap guys, double tap. Donaros.
Yeah. And not forgetting to the Petero Tupidi and the
Right.
squad of Israel Mborabi.
Right.
This is the house 26.
Oi.
Vale Tambaroso Vulcano.
Yeah.
From
that's the truth.
Iragi.
Oh, Iragi.
Iyo, Mairaki. From Iragi.
Yeah,
Not forgetting Mbamba Singambure M.
Iyo.
8 na Waitambu na Itasiri.
Yeah.
Umbuka Mekandabu Denford Maiserua.
Yeah.
Serea.
Swipe guys.
Welebu the Kondobe.
Right.
Leli and Pete. Tamay muna.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Okay, ano benak? Right, benak. Kami na kan. Dia masih donat simberin ni tiga bulan dental no.
Iya.
Donat taruh.
Mai.
Kami ka donang karabat.
Iya.
On cave.
Tuikara bikin.
Batang ano naman ni rumong ko, studio ko.
Alright.
Okay.
Gusto namin ko ng tingin-tingin mo ito man ruso ka batan naman ni cave, naman ni cave. At sa sarang kendreng at yan yan simente.
Iya.
Kakaya ba ito kami raw kakana may bula munro bulo tuloy lo mer.
Iya.
Tangan siya lewa.
Gore sil kila kita sil.
Namu jing, namu na jing.
Iya. Kaya ka o kandra bantu man ruler ruwa batan ng karabatu.
Iya.
Okay. And why?
Awa, dua tali mamu selebih nang mo mga sama.
Ay. Sa tamadaran bin itu ko nung bakasama.
Iya, endua.
Tabarong to, Facebook friend. Ira barong to.
What's your pick today?
Who will you choose?
Iya. Dona cave.
Iya.
You were given everything, food, kede.
Iya,
Kakere,
kakere.
tumengusumo.
Iya.
Iya.
Menrombulo siya laman tulo bula laman ni
The
cave.
cave siya daw.
Aw, nandun kita ki-
Dina.
Oh, hindi na.
Tiki na swimming pool.
Oh,
Aw, nanti
okay.
kita kinong gumomo.
Mumudi.
Nung gumomo nga.
Mamawili.
Siya nga. Nung gumomo.
Okay, balik na daw. Okay, give us the reason.
Mbalit na siya nilibu nang una karon na bitar no kina.
Iya.
There will be no time for us to talk.
Okay.
We'll be respectable
Iya.
in the cave.
Okay.
No talkative.
Wait,
Yeah.
that means when you come out of the cave after how many months?
3 months.
After 3 months, you will be like you can talk.
I can talk.
Yeah.
Okay.
No shave.
No, see, if you said everything is inside.
Yeah,
That's mean everything is inside. TV and everything. I will talk.
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool there too.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Okay. How will you serve the dinner then?
Huh?
How will you serve your mom?
Because everything is there.
How will-
Momo, uncle, save your food, please.
Okay.
Wait, like
okay,
that.
Okay.
There.
Yeah.
That's a cave.
Okay. Kau ada taruh, kau ada
Okay.
kiro bitarong.
Yeah.
Sini kiro bitarong, era bitarong cikgu lendu pun.
Okay.
Iya, dinner.
Ya, tuo sa kuna mayo
Who's?
nuku pa suba ta mon rosa le chiku na cave.
O Gori.
Oh, scorpion.
Scorpion ya.
Yeah.
King,
Oh, naka TikTok na bising ya.
ranyungan ngoyaw. Nambuin na chiku na poison.
Ano pinaka kaya maborong suba na koro.
Right.
Bulan to yan.
Okay, our story this morning.
Okay, this is a story. You
Iyo.
know, each and everyone in our household got a responsibility.
Okay.
We have our own responsibility. Kids have their own responsibility.
Iyo.
Mommy got a responsibility.
Okay. Terus up.
Daddy too has a responsibility. Doggy has a responsibility. Nakulitay nga ito ng ritan. Eran daw, ang rapat ito na nung dito.
Ode, who's?
Doggy.
Hey, say good morning to Brasto.
The cat too.
Vamos chuko ba top cliff and sigeni kwa. UK go, may UK.
Okay.
Carry on.
Yeah, cat too has a responsibility.
Yeah.
They look after the rat.
Yeah.
Eh? They look after the rat.
Right.
They are cleaner the household.
Right.
Wala ka talaga karating mo.
And then
Yeah.
And then,
Yeah.
doon na kinabakan rin pinakasarang kamay. And then,
my carry on.
See the people are there watching the see the one policy. Dogging out cock. In the TikTok. Hey, thank you so much.
sebang garang-garang tambua junior, sebang garang-garang tambua senior, dong pula. Then, we have our own responsibility. Apa bang andoyan rap making pamataka?
Okay.
Williame,
Yeah.
your pickup is too fast.
He listening.
Okay, he's listening.
Alright.
He's listening this morning.
Alright.
William Linganganga from who's this? Dari ruang gor Ranjana.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Continue.
Then we have our responsibility. One time,
Yeah.
there is a guy, Mr. Muhammad, coming along the way from Senganga.
Yeah.
Look for Ganakato.
Oi.
Iyo.
Right.
Okay.
Ganakato, ngondo na mata musundobu.
Yeah, and he
Right.
found a gang.
In the
Sagirito ka doon again.
he met a gang.
Yeah.
A gang is from a village. They went for a Ghana.
Right.
And this is the first man he met. This man is a headman of their cutting.
Right.
So they leave.
Yeah.
They leave the home. About 7 of them. They leave the home. They went for a Ghana.
With the apiko, sila ba?
Okapi.
Okapi.
Okapi, the Bukil.
Kopiko.
Yeah.
Kopi kongor na chesa.
Yeah, pala na kami malimani may.
Iyo. So they leave, they went.
Yeah.
After first talab.
Who's?
Mata bisa umi.
Yeah.
Second talab. Second bisa umi.
Alright.
So the deal was like this.
Yeah.
He will prepare the meal.
Who?
The owner.
Right.
Okay.
The owner of the Ghana, he will prepare the meal.
Yeah.
So you cut at 25.
Yeah.
Missioner Rasul Kalima.
Yeah.
So cut at 25. How about the farm? The farm is very clear.
Oi.
How's about the sugarcane? The sugarcane is straight.
Yeah.
Oi.
So that time,
What's around the lamba?
after a cyclone season,
Orto sorto.
they jaw.
Cut where?
Cut them.
Yeah.
So they jaw.
Obi, yan ba
The
ka?
deal was wrong.
Yeah.
Does not match with the mouth.
Yeah.
Oi.
Kita lati kena kahit kuna.
Mouth to mouth.
Mouth to mouth membunuh. Then they jaw.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First talab, second talab, the headman start to complain.
Lamba ng dobo, rabing balek.
Yeah.
Give me
They
Crisscross.
slip each other.
Right.
The Ghana.
Yeah.
When the Ghana is there, so there is no state.
Right.
And very bush.
Oh.
Ikaw na lang ang dobo. So it's very tough for them to cut the sugarcane because they are moving on
Probably
from
because
one
of the
time
bush.
to another time.
Yeah.
It takes their time, so it's very tiredness.
Oh.
Yeah.
So they leave.
Yeah.
The owner, the headman leave, then
Yeah.
go to Lambasa. Town.
The gang went moving to the owner's house.
The owner's house is there. They want to look for owner.
So
Oi.
the owner of the farm go to Lambasa.
That time is a different.
Oi.
Who's?
The owner of the farm go to Lambasa.
No, the headman going to Lambasa.
Oh, I saw the
Headman from the gang, from the village.
From the kebakay
Oh,
bimbi.
no man den bimbi o to kini kami nga de Lambasa.
Tao kini ba-
Gang to kimo na limboso.
Toko na pala limbo si Melore may na pawn shop. Then they jaw.
Yeah.
When they go in the afternoon from Lambasa, close to a nightclub,
Yeah.
there is a fighting happening.
Iya.
Oi.
So one of
The headman.
the headman's friend
Yeah.
was being caught by a fighter.
Iya.
Oi.
Sama kayak Buturaki from there.
Right.
So they was looking at the fella.
Yeah.
Right.
When they look at the fella, hey,
Yeah.
this man. And one big man was there.
Iya.
And he put on his chin.
Knife.
Knife gorimendra. Put. Down.
Iya.
Dua anak ini itu kaya tawiran kali bungo.
Right.
Another one coming.
Yeah.
Boo on the left. Down again. That one is coming.
Iya.
Down again.
Iya.
The bouncer from that nightclub.
Yeah.
Throw a Jesse. Gori.
Yeah.
No need job.
Oi.
No interview.
Iya, no interview.
Because of his jet.
Iya.
His hapkado.
Iya.
Lapagori? Hapkido.
Salah
Salah bangori na bisa weli. Bisa uli nga ba yan? Ano suliling ato ka na darubo ko sa bago, boss. Kuha taling ka interview ko mo sa jom. First day. Second day.
Look lagi sa camera.
Second day.
Uh.
When the third day is there,
Yeah.
and the fella said, us, everybody, mommy got the responsibility cook for the food
Mommy at home.
at home.
Right.
The children, they know their responsibility. As to father, we have our responsibility to look after our family. Bring the tero.
Ano na Jay?
Bring
Right.
the cassava.
Right.
Bring the food. Everything. You are the headman.
Iya.
of the family.
Terus you are
So they
Leon dia kan.
you are the headman of the family.
Iya.
So everybody was there waiting, eh?
Iya.
When they're waiting and the mommy calling.
Yeah,
Sa
mommy.
job from there,
Yeah.
mommy calling.
Housework.
Housework. Mommy. Hello. Daddy. Here. Hello. Maka misi tin kila tala ko na dai mami. Sa din de lo menikah kay sarong tungan na music eh.
Ka bulang taluan to boy.
Iya.
Iya.
Hello.
Iya.
Daddy.
Iya.
Who's this? This is mommy.
Hey, your voice like a tourist to me.
Your voice like it's town.
How?
Town voice.
How? What are you doing?
Eh.
You never call us.
Iya.
Anda makam dia?
Yo, away man. You never call us. Why?
Iya.
We've been waiting
Kids
for
are asking for you.
Kids
Yeah.
are
Where's
asking for
Daddy?
you. Where's Daddy?
Yeah.
I told them, Daddy is waiting for a job.
Iya.
Daddy is waiting for a job.
Iya.
His jobbing is in Lambasa.
Iya.
Now he's moving from one place to another.
Iya.
What job are you doing? I'm now
Bouncer.
street bouncer.
Iya.
Street fighter.
Street bouncer. I'm now a bouncer. I'm working here. I love my job.
Iya.
Hey, mommy,
Iya.
please, you
Yeah.
wait there. I coming.
Iya.
One day.
Iya.
So when like that,
Mami miss
Waktu
daddy.
itu mantangin ako ron ko mataka suka ng lasa wa mogi.
yeah, you are in the village. You pussycat around.
Oi.
Iya.
Apa sama saya no Rajin?
Apa semuanya ranjin di sana numi ko ya? Apa runggulan tapi ko? You coming there, that is a place of tempting. When somebody's drunk,
Iya.
when somebody's drunk,
Automatically.
automatic the girl in front. When
You will
somebody,
forget about me.
yeah, your talab will be there to the girl. If you don't have money, you'll steal.
Iya.
In town, you have to work.
Yeah.
And especially,
Yeah.
what is the purpose of starting a family without giving them the right choice to give the responsibility to be part of the family and food into the table?
You talking like one principal. boy.
Pasione Maxi Alejandra. So from there, mommy wants to give a trick
Yeah.
so that the father leave the job and come home
Yeah.
Okay.
into the village.
Yeah.
When they come to when the mommy call,
Yeah.
see, I miss you.
Gori, sana po sa baya?
Yeah, I miss
Sana po
you.
sintondo mo?
I want to see you.
Come on,
Yeah.
darling.
This weather is unfavorable enough for me to sleep alone.
Yeah.
I need you right now.
Iya.
And the children too
They need you.
need you.
Iya.
Who will be there to back up them?
Yeah.
Who will be there to raise them?
Yeah.
Simbertal mayo ko yang girti ko mo tol be palindanis.
Ah.
Ha?
Hah?
Who me?
Hah?
Iya.
Okay, well, who me?
Iya.
What happened? Yes, you. Who me?
Iya.
I'm not the only one who can raise them.
Iya.
Who is there in the village? Asin imbera nyona. Ay, mola ko may merto may karabi na ngono. Demi nang karabi roto.
No,
Eh,
Itabi
mata
mo.
ko pinakatsiko-tsiko mo totolo
Mo totolo mai. Mo may karabi ya un karabi teling ngortongo. Asin imbera nga nyo ka tol tu mesaw. Ay, saba ka sa sige kirta mate may karabi rongo. Aw banga ko no, that's your responsibility. Tadi turang ni Kelly binaka sa
How
binaka.
about if that was you? You'll stay
Who me? One in the town or one in the village?
no, one in the town. You'll stay in town or you go to the village? You will
Are.
tell mommy. Ask those people to.
Ako ay daily menakor.
Dali mo lang ko, pero sa na ano ni Bali Sulu. Bikini.
Ako ko ang gritsmero chini ko naruto ngone.
Yeah.
You know very well I'm a kuskusim.
Ya, kaya baka dali ba ni Messi nga?
Yeah.
Kaya ni taon ni Bangareo Manilenta. Eh, binabala Punjas celebrating 90 years.
Eh, sagalay.
Top cliff for the Richmond go. My UK to siya mo chung ko na malim sarna sar chung may.
Yeah.
And TikTok and mataka ni kwa. Urang away on render sa chung. Na TikTok sorry mataka liya dar tukin
Yeah.
Vosa man na tusay bulo binakan redems.
Yeah.
Bajipay, sala naman tumami ko mix.
Eh, Butch Pie, bulo binaka.
O baca wasuda.
Eh, ano binaka. I'm the Butch Pie.
Ha.
Ano binaka wasu ni nawa ba ano binaka totoo ba ko sinabi ba kanina na mataka may UK. Jena. Na wala mo na sar chung may. And video film TikTok account, video film YouTube channel.
Mita signa is joining.
Oh,
Yung
Mita Signa.
Mandarin Banda meke mbula binaka.
Good morning, Mita Signa.
Iya. Oh, kenta nangonong ko sa parumbukan ni kuan don menta natatak kenta tiko na bay tubutu so.
Right.
Marutak tu na itabinduin so na duin karaba.
Right.
Sini pataw takanan non tabi to so yaki kena be kandangan reba.
Iyo.
Na singa ni kuat choti moto ni dadoka.
Bula binaka.
Mbula binaka panin binan budwing karabi.
Right.
Matakan ni kuah.
Ito tu sa naka baka tu nakendeng mati wir na diutin.
Iya.
Ni na kilikan ta binaka.
Dia sar.
Eh?
Ya sa sangan dalam mati-mati ya.
Iya, ako ya sa bango.
Andra mo kaya dalam mati-mati.
Sakya sa kami na buwan sa kunin sugi taon.
Iya.
Eh?
Dan do talimbak sa nalirith.
Eh? Haro to ba ya? Wayaw.
Iya.
Sa sinikala ko ni nita bichuka men karabir to ngone batike chinan ngone.
Don't want.
Wala mitugon me mo chinan ngone. Tolo me sa do mo sinan la kungwe.
Me bangan niya o chinaningon iyo sa paru tal tungan ko na paling kaya idea.
Taxi mo ko.
Singa taling kay taxi.
Eh.
Ya, singa ati ko busaro meron tombal ya. Yan ta tu nanon dandui malu-malu mo itu taltungan nanon dandui kukawa.
Dia sar.
Iya.
Na bunita nando sa nga tungan nanon malu-malu me pangataka.
Right.
Iya.
Ano binaka may okala di Venezuela di semi tu kawa-kawa.
Yan.
Tina andi mote ano binaka ebuda ni usia ruak.
Tukuno.
Makareta babiola Maria Serrane Liki andi mote abati alisi salokula.
Slippery wet tukuno ko ya.
Yeah.
Because of the love outside.
Yeah, the outside lava is very dangerous.
You like it?
Never. Timale tilendo am bola benaka. Oni ni mena tunga be ya.
Chocolate.
Wati soni
Yeah.
ngura-ngura.
Hoy,
Tamay la sarusa.
teman Lazaro sa isa.
Dombula.
Ipswich ko me Queensland o Samu semisi wanakiana na malim sa Stone nanti kita kata kumain na video film TikTok account. Double tap guys.
Yeah.
Double tap swipe dong ana roskats.
Iya, kita sa taba.
Iya.
Oni binang na parumbon ko go Fiji 7 team go.
Right.
Poni binang na grabe na matani kuha. Thank you Punja celebrating 90 years na ito kani.
Kurmundo.
Dika galombola.
Gonde miss.